Hello friends, welcome to another video of Shakti Enterprises. So in this video, I'm showing you the compressor for Hyundai Tucson, or some people also call it Tucson. The spelling of this car name is Tucson. So if you own this car, Tucson Tucson, and if you're looking for AC compressor, then you should definitely watch this video. So for Tucson, this is the compressor, all right, and it's a brand new compressor. You can check out the shining and everything. You can see it's a high quality brand new compressor. So I'll first of all I'll explain you different parts and fitting of this compressor. So first part, this black part, this is called pulley of this compressor. So the belt is placed over here, which revolves this pulley. Second part is this coupler. This is for the power supply. It's a 12-volt compressor, and from here the power supply is given to this compressor. These two, black and white, these dust caps you can see. So these are inlet and outlet. So basically from here one pipe is connected to the condenser, which is another part in the car AC, and the one is connected with the cooling coil, which is also a car AC part. And here you can see this black one, the wire which is coming from the coupler. So this is the climate control valve. All right. So this is the another thing, and you can also see the different bolts in this fitting. So one, two, and three. So this compressor is of 3 bolts fitting. And also, friends, sometimes what happens, the whole compressor is in good condition, everything is good. The only thing is that this climate control valve is faulty. So in case if there is a problem with this climate control valve, and if you just replace this climate control valve, your AC compressor starts working fine. So in order to get a new climate control valve, you can also contact us. We have this part also available, these climate control valves. So if you want to place order only for climate control valve, you can do that as well. So friends, we are delivering these high quality AC parts all over India. So in case if you want to place your order, you can simply give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message, and we can get it delivered at your doorstep. And the best part is that, friends, if you buy AC parts from Shakti Enterprises, you get high quality brand new AC parts. If you look at in the market, or if you go to any nearby mechanic, they will insist you for old spare parts, or they'll say that you should go for a repaired one. All right. But what happens if you go for a repaired one or an old AC part? You will end up paying a lot of money, and still you will not be satisfied with the cooling or the working of the AC compressor. So we always suggest you or recommend you to buy high quality AC compressor or AC parts to make sure that your ride is comfortable and you enjoy your ride. All right. So if you want to place your order, please do call us or send us a WhatsApp message. And please do share this video with someone who owns a Hyundai Tucson or Tucson car. And that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.